Let's go. First question of the day. Thank you, Sony Angels, for the follow. Yeah. First question of the day. Let's take a look. Alright, try not to use your calculator here, okay? 3 divided by 600, what do we get? 3 divided by 600, what do we get? Ooh, some of you are saying it's easy. Well, because last week you mentioned to me some of the questions a bit hard, right? So I'm trying to get you to ease into some of the questions a bit here. The music is interfering. Okay, let me off the music then. Better? Okay. Thank you for letting me know, by the way. 3 divided by 600. Okay, not the other way around. We have 3 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The correct answer is the 24 of you who got it. It's the green one. Is it too cold? It's the green one. Okay, let's take a look at how we are going to solve this, okay? Cheerful Bunny, nice one. You got it. Some of you are saying, how? Well, 3 divided by 600, what you can do is, since we know divide is actually the same as a fraction, 3 divided by 600, 3 divided by 600 means we can rewrite it as a fraction, and that will be 1 out of 200. Simplify 1 out of 200, okay, and then from there we change it into a decimal by changing the denominator into 1,000, okay? Alright, wow, sigma. Sigma means good, right? Okay, everybody great here? Alright, for those of you who would like to join our Kahoot right now, there are plenty of double points questions later on where you can climb the leaderboard. So please feel free to join. The game pin is 6424238. Okay, 6424238. Alright. Okay, I'm really sorry. I think you cannot see some of the solutions, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller for you guys. Okay, let's see. I think that's better. Okay. Alright. Oh, alright. Hello, Ida. Thank you for saying I'm a signature. Hey, we reached 99 viewers. Guys, remember our like goal today is 50k. Okay, can we reach 50k? I'm not so sure. I try. I mean, you try for me. I cannot try. Okay, please help me reach 50k likes. Thank you so much. For those of you who just joined, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. I'm the primary math specialist, and we are going through some ratio, fractions, percentage, and decimals revision in the form of a Kahoot quiz. There are 8 questions today, and we are down to our second one. Alright, so let's go on to our second question of the day. How many hundredths are there in 2 out of 5? Oh, thank you. The pin is 6424238. 6424238. Okay, we want to change it into hundredths, okay? Hundredths. Ooh, some of you are saying it's easy. Some of you are raising me. Interesting. Okay, oh, what happened here? Some of you went to change it into a decimal, and that's how you got 0.4, which is wonderful. However, the question is asking for hundredths. Okay, hundredths, which means we gotta change it into out of 100 first. Alright, so for this question, let's first take a look at who is at the leaderboard. Okay. Cheerful Bunny is still up there, nice one. And Funny Horse is in the second place. Some of you randomly chose. Why? You could have gotten it correct, right? Okay, so how do we solve this? When they say hundredths with the THS, that means we want to change it into out of 100. So out of 100, from 2 out of 5, we get 4 out of 10. That's probably how you got 0.4, right? And then from there, we change it into 40 out of 100. And that's how we get 40 hundredths, okay? So the answer is 440. Okay? Alright. I do not teach upper sec or secondary school for that matter, but we do have our secondary live stream every Mondays at 7:30. Okay, every Mondays at 7:30 p.m. same channel. Alrighty? Okay, how are we feeling so far? If everybody's feeling great, can we type W in the chat again? And can you please help me spam the like button in the next 5 seconds? 5, 4, our like goal is 50k. We are not even at 10k yet. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Okay. All right. Okay, for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. We are going through some solutions right now for question number 2 of our Kahoot quiz. And we will be moving on to question 3 soon out of 8. There are multiple double points questions where you can climb the leaderboard really quickly. So if you would like to join right now, now's a good time. It's at 642-4238. Alright, the game pin is at 642-4238. Okay, and for those of you who are interested to get your hands on our free worksheet and solution, what you see on the screen right now, you can head on to our Telegram channel. You can actually see it around my face right now. It's at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, alright. Okay, this is primary school math actually. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question. Which of the following is closest to one whole? The closest to one whole, what do we see? Okay, let's see. What do we have right now? We want closest to one whole. Okay? There are some methods to get to solving this question. Okay? Oh, Ida, right? Ida, you're in Japan. Interesting. Hi, Arisa. Thank you for joining. Okay, you have 10 seconds left. Alrighty. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello. Hi, guys. Oh, hi. You're from the Philippines. Nice. Okay, guys. We got the correct answer as 5 out of 7. 20 of you got this right, which is perfect. Wonderful. But for those of you who didn't get this right, let me share with you the way to solve this question, okay? This actually came out in the PSLE, not the exact question, but the options are changed, okay? So it's the same question, but the options are changed. So how are we going to get to the correct answer? Let's take a look. Alright, before that, our Cheerful Bunny is still up top. Nice one. Doing great so far, Cheerful Bunny and Funny Horse. The rest of you, let's try to climb the leaderboard, especially for our double points questions later on, okay? Oh, Vic, Kahoot ain't got nothing on you. That's nice. Okay, now let's take a look here, yeah? So, how do we find the fraction that's closest to one whole? Well, there are 2 steps that you got to do. First, you find the difference, okay? Because when you want something to be close to something else, the distance between them must be small. Therefore, to find the distance on the number line, that's essentially the difference between the 2 numbers, which is the fraction given and one whole, okay? And then the second step is to choose the difference that is the smallest, because the smaller the difference, the closer they will be on the number line. Alright? Okay? And so we find the difference first, and we will get 2, 5, 2 out of 7, 1/3, which can be converted into 2 out of 6, and then half, which can be converted into 2 out of 4. Now the reason why I convert options 3 and 4 is so that we can compare the differences. Alright, by using same numerator concept. So with the same numerator, 2, 2, 2, 2, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. Alright, so step 1, find the difference. Step 2, choose the smallest difference so that the numbers will be close on the number line. Okay? Alright, for those of you who just joined, welcome. Oh, hello Zahin, welcome. Good to see you here. There are some of you who are asking which level this is for. This is question 3 out of 8 of our P6 live class. Okay, sorry, I got carried away from reading the chat. I see some previous students here. That's nice. Alright, so this is for P6, but if you're not in P6, you have already long graduated. Some weeks ago, I even had some people saying that they are in university and they want to join our Kahoot. That's perfectly fine. If you are in the first place, you get to win a $10 popular voucher, okay? Alright, now before we continue, before we continue, friends, I just want to share with you that we do have a free trial. So if you're interested, you can go on to mastermaths.com.sg and register your interest for a free trial if you're not yet our students, okay? Now, for those of you who are our students and you enjoy our classes, can you please type WMM in the chat? WMM in the chat. If you enjoy our classes and you're our students, can you type WMM in the chat? Okay, for those of you interested to join weekly, we are having our classes, our live classes for P6s every Tuesdays at 6 p.m. And for P5s, it's every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well. Nice, WMM, WMM. So if you're not our students, you see all the WMM here, you can come and join us for a free trial, okay? Let's move on. Thank you, everybody. Can you help me spam the like button, please? We are at 20k likes. Our like goal today is 50k. Let's hope to get there. Let's hope to get there, okay? Now let's go on to question number 4. Let's go. Question number 4. Okay, the number of visitors to a museum was 900 in August, and this was a 20% increase from the number in July. How many visitors were there in July? How many visitors were there in July? You got 1.5 minutes left. Okay? Now, for those of you who need help with later questions, actually I prepared some hints for you as well. Alright? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Alright. How are we doing so far? We have about a minute left to this question. A minute left. This actually came out in PSLE as well. Thank you for helping me turn on the aircon. Okay. Some of you are saying it's blue, it's green. Which one is it? Very close actually. Blue, green, yellow. The correct answer is the blue one. Those of you who got it right, nice one. Coach Irfan is chilling right now. He's having his break. He will return really soon tomorrow, okay? I will convey your misses to him if you do miss him, okay? Alright, who helped me turn on aircon? My trusty assistant. Okay, how many questions are there? There are 8 questions today. Now guys, how did we get 750? How did we get 750? You cannot type the on Kahoot. It's okay, you can type your answers here, and then I will let you know by a little bit of hints to see if you got it right or not, okay? No, Ariel is not here today. Alright. We have Cam. Cam, wonderful. Good job to you. Cam actually gave us the solution. So let's take a look at Cam's solution, okay? Which is 900 out of 120 times 100. Before that, again, Cheerful Bunny is up top together with Funny Horse. Nice one. Excuse me. Okay, so how do we solve this? Now, in August, it was 20% increment from July. So that means in August, I must have 120%. Whereas July will be my base, 100%. The basis of my comparison, guys, will always be the 100%. Okay? So I'm comparing August to July. So July should be our 100%. August will be 20% more, which is 120. So using arrow method, or you can just take 900 divided by 120, multiply by 100. Any way you want to do it, as long as you relate 900 to 120, and later on find 100%, you will get the correct answer of 750. Okay? 750. Alright. How are we feeling about this question so far? So far, not too bad, right? The questions, not too difficult, because last week you guys gave a feedback that some of the questions you didn't have time to solve. So I hope this is a little bit better for you, and it gives you a little bit of confidence booster as well. Okay, actually I see that there are quite a number of you liking the live. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you, Khairul Amin, for sharing the live as well. Sigma live so far, yes, no? If you are enjoying the live so far, we are down to our final 4 questions. We are right smack in the middle of our live class right now, and we are down to our final 4 questions. If you're enjoying it, Sigma live, thank you very much. If you're enjoying it, can you help me double, triple tap the screen, spam the like button? Our live like goal is 50k today. Thank you for sharing the live as well. And can you again, I don't know why I'm so I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it, but can you type W in the chat? I guess. Thank you. How much likes now? We are at 27,000. We have 27,000 likes. We are slightly over half. For those of you who want to join the live right now, the Kahoot, right now, I think this is a good time because our double points questions are coming up really, really soon. The game pin is at 642. If you can't see, it's at 642 4238. 642 4238. Okay? Alrighty. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. It's okay, don't rush for Kahoot, right? I understand that there's this time limit there, but try not to rush and solve slowly as you go, okay? The moment you rush, you feel jittery, you will get confused very, very easily, okay? Alright, so let's go on to question number 5. Question number 5 now. A fitness club has 400 male and 150 female members. 20% of the male members and 30% of the female members are students. How many members are students? So how many members is this 20% of the male and 30% of the female? That's what you need to look for. Okay? Purple minus blue equals answer. What's purple? Where's purple? I don't know. Alright, I think I need another sip of water while you are trying out the questions. Okay, you have about a minute left. You got about a minute left. Are you finally gonna get it right? Let's see. Thank you, Wardina, for sharing the live. That's really nice of you. Slay girly. Are you sure? Seems like some of you got the same answer as slay girly as well. Okay. Ooh, Brian got the same one as well. Nice. Thank you, user. Hey, don't give up. Don't give up, okay? Vic, actually, nice one. You got it. You got it. What's a baddie slayer? How did you get 98.78? You are not supposed to get a decimal point. These are people we are talking about, yeah? People. Alright, wow, this one. Got confidence booster now, guys. Do you enjoy this question? For those of you who managed to get it right, especially if you got it right for the first time after a while, I'm really happy for you. It is indeed 125. If you didn't get it, let's go through how to solve it, okay? Let's take a look at how to solve it. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, this is for P6. Okay, so how do we get the correct answer? Let's see. Alright, Cheerful Bunny is still up top. Nice one. Okay, so if I'm looking for 20% of the meal, guys, do you recall in math, right, in our math exams, when we see the word off, what does the word off refer to? Can you type it out in the chat for me? What does the word off refer to? 20% of the male members. Off means we need to. LeBron, nice one. Korean name I cannot answer. I cannot read it out, sorry. But yes, Arisa, nice one. Jongwon, nice one. When we see off, we need to multiply. Off means times, right? So 20% off means 20% times. 20% is 20 out of 100. So that's 20 over 100 times the male members, which is 400. So 20 over 100 times 400, that will give us 80, okay? I cancel the two zeros, that's dividing the 4 and the 100 each by 100. That's how I get 80. Same thing for the female members. 30% of the female means 30 out of 100. Off means times. Female members is 150. That's how I convert the entire English phrase into a mathematical equation for me to work on. Everybody clear? Okay, the whole English phrase. 30% of the female members, we can convert it into a math equation for us to work with. Okay, and so from there I have 80 male students, 45 female students. I just add them together. I will get 125 members that are students, both male and female. Okay, all right. Luckily you already graduated, Keon. Okay, how are we doing so far? So far so good. Alright, guys, our double points questions are coming up next. Okay, question 6, 7 and 8, they are all double points questions. Thank you for the W in the chat. I got your message already. Thank you very much for letting me know. I hope you can do the test in your free time and submit it, okay? You have diarrhea but you are sitting here and doing it. Wow, dedication, I love it. Thank you so much. I love the dedication. Okay, we are at 36k likes now. Nice one. As a finance student studying econs, you wish you can go back to primary school, right? So easy. I also wish I can go back to primary school. For those of you who are interested to get our worksheet and work on some of the questions again, or work on some of the questions before the live class, you can get your hands on them at our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, MasterMaths PSLE. If you would like to watch the recording, you can go on to our YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV. Okay, MasterMathsTV. Alright. Okay, everybody, are we ready to go to our double points question? Double points, let's go. Shauki got it. Alright. I think like everyone from SG, maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's go on to question number 6. Are we ready, guys? Question number 6 now. Okay. Question 6 out of 8. Double points already. Let's go. This is on further discount. Oh, Shafiq and Shauki are brothers. I see. Thank you for joining. That's very nice. Vic can do well in exams if Vic works hard. Anybody can do well if they work hard. Wow, some of you so fast. So fast, correct or not? This is on a further discount question. After a 25% discount, the price became $60. And then senior citizens got further $12 discount. So what is the total percentage discount? Total percentage discount. What do we get? Okay, I help you out here. If you take 25 plus 12, confirm wrong. Okay, because 25 is percentage, 12 is dollars. Percent cannot add with dollars. So if you wrote 25 plus 12, 25% plus $12 cannot. Okay, that one out already. Okay, so I hope I have explained to you why the red one is out. I'm helping you eliminate one wrong answer. 25% plus $12. One is percent, one is dollars. Different item cannot plus. Okay, different things cannot plus. All right. Okay, you have about slightly over a minute left. I am going to disappear for 30 seconds to refill my water, and I'm going to come back in 30 seconds. Okay, you guys can time it. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Less than 30, right? See? Less than 20 seconds even. Not bad, right? I got water now. Okay. No need to count down already. I'm here already. Exactly 15. Wow, perfect. Very fast, huh? Okay. How do we solve this, guys? Let me give you a hint, okay? Go and look for the original cost. If you know after 25%, you get $60, what's the original cost? Use that to help you. Okay. Use the original cost to help you, okay? Yes, Shafiq, I know. Okay, we got 20 of you getting it right, 40%. 40% is indeed correct. Wow, we are so close to our light goal already. Thank you, guys. Okay, so how did we get 20? How did the 20 of you get 40%? Let's take a look, okay? But before that, with the double points, let's see who's up top. Ooh, our top 2 and now top 3 never change. Not bad. Cheerful Bunny, Funny Horse, and Agile Bobcat. Very powerful. Super duper powerful. What's cringe? Did I say something cringy? Okay, guys. Some of you use ChatGPT to solve. Very funny. Oh, by the way, let me share with you a story before I go on. Let me share with you a story. There was once where I typed in a question on ChatGPT. Actually, more than once. And they solve it wrongly, ChatGPT solving it wrongly. So, guys, don't depend on AI too much, okay? Don't depend on AI too much. Alright? Especially for primary math. Actually, for any kind of questions also, don't depend on them too much, because there may be times where they will not give you the right answer. A lot of times they gave me the wrong answers, and then I had to scold them and say, that's not right, and then they would try again. That's not right again, and then they try again. So anyway, let's continue to question 6. Okay, guys, you're not always accurate. That's right. Okay. Guys, let's take a look here, yeah? So after a discount of 25%, the keyword after tells us that the $60 is after removing this 25. So the balance must be 75%, right? 100 minus 25, the balance 75% is your $60. Okay? Now, when the question asks us to find total percentage discount, this one we got to use the formula, okay? Total percentage discount formula, and that will be total discount out of original times 100%. Okay? Total discount out of original times 100%. So I'm zooming in here, yeah? The formula. So that means with this formula, I need 2 things. I need the numerator, total discount. I need denominator, original. Okay? Since I know 75% is $60, I can find the first discount, 25%. I can find the original, 100%. The original will go inside my denominator, and that's $80. My first discount add with second discount to give me my total discount in the numerator. Okay, so that's $20 plus $12 in the numerator, first discount, second discount put together, and then the original in the denominator, and from there you can work out your answer, 32 out of 80 times 100%. Okay, and that will give you 40%. Understood? Everybody? Do we understand what's going on? Oh, Shoki, okay. Please don't quarrel, okay? Nice, Arisa, W. Wow, all the W's come in already. Nice. Alright. Okay. So, one more time. Using total percentage discount. This phrase, when they tell you total percentage discount, you got to use this formula. Total discount out of denominator original. Okay, using the formula. Alright. And then from there, we already know after I take out 25%, the balance is 75%, right? So use this 75% $60 to find your original, which is 100%. That's your denominator in the formula. The numerator must be total discount. The total discount comes from where? From the first 25% discount, which is $20. Find out in dollar form, $20. And the second discount, $12. So together, all the discount is the $20 from the 25% and the $12 for the senior citizens. Okay? So that's $32 as your total discount. So if you are old, you get $32 worth of discount. Hello, Tiru. Hi, Nini. Alright, everybody clear so far? Okay, we are down to our final 2 questions, double points, and I agree with most of you who have already seen the questions. I agree with you. Question 7 is the toughest. Question 7 is the toughest. That is why I'm going to give you some hints before we start the timer. Okay, I'm going to give you some hints before we start the timer. Alright, are we ready? Okay, let's take a look at question 7. Okay, so this is the question. The participants of a quiz are divided equally into 2 groups. Okay, in the first group, there are 20 more boys than girls. In the second group, there are 12 more girls than boys. And 45% of all the participants are girls. So how many participants are boys? Now, I have given you some hints at the bottom. You are going to draw 2 sets of model to represent the 2 equal groups. Okay, so the first set of model is from the first line. There are 20 more boys than girls. I guess everybody know how to draw this, right? 1 unit for girls, 1 unit with extra 20 for boys. That's your first set. Okay? Alright, I'm going to let you try this out by drawing your first set and use the equality for the second set. Okay? Alright. The code is 6424238. For those of you who still want to join, we are at question number 7, double points here. Okay? I will move on to the next slide really soon where you can type in your answer. Alrighty? Thank you, Patrick, for the follow. Alright, for those of you who are new here, once again, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. I'm the primary math specialist, and I'm here to go through some ratio, fractions, percentage, and decimals revision with you guys. This is perfect for P6s taking the PSLE this year. But if you're not and you want to join and you want to stand to win a $10 popular voucher, you can as well. Okay? Alright, so I repeat one more time. The first set of model is from the second line. 20 more boys than girls. Okay? The pin is 6424238. Okay, Luke for 6424238. Thank you, Kyra. Okay, so one more time. 20 more boys than girls. So you draw the boys, you draw the girls. Make sure the boys got 1 extra 20. Okay, like that can already, right? First line very easy. Now the second group is the one that's a little bit tougher. So with the second group, your total must be 2 units with 20, right? You use that 20, you keep your 2 units. 1 unit for boys, 1 unit for girls. You use your 20, break it down so that the girls got 12 more. Use the 20, break it down so that the girls got 12 more. Okay? Okay? Alright. One more time. Use the 20 from group 1 to break down the model in group 2. Break down this 20 so that girls have 12 more. Okay? I'm going to start the timer for you guys to type in your answers. Let's go. Okay, double points here. Some of you have actually gotten the right answer already. Okay, so now you have 4 minutes You can type in your answers as well. Hello, dolphin. Is that a dolphin? What happened? What happened to your Chinese? I see some correct answers. Alright. Try to draw the model in the time that you have, right? Try to draw the model for the second group. Oh, you changed. Malika, I see. You changed your user. No wonder I cannot recognize. Wangi, what does that mean? Malika, to improve Chinese, right? I suggest you watch a lot of Chinese dramas. That's what helped me a lot. Okay, last time when I was growing up, I watched a lot of Chinese dramas. That's how I did very well in Chinese also. I'm Malay. My husband is Indian. Yeah, watch Chinese dramas. That will be very helpful. Yes, I'm not Chinese, but I took Chinese as my mother tongue. I think Malika knows this. I'm not Chinese. Thank you. Okay, you have about 2 minutes left. Slightly over 2 minutes. Why did I learn Chinese? Cannot remember. Like that one must ask my mum. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see. Ida. Is that Ida? Yes, Ida, I think you got it. Yes, I know how to speak Malay. I'm Malay. I know how to speak Malay. Okay, so how to solve this? One more time. You draw your model for the first group, right? There will be 1 unit for the girls, 1 unit plus 20 for the boys. And then in your second group, your total must remain as 2 units and extra 20. So you break down the 2 units with girls and boys again, 1 unit, 1 unit. The 20 is what you got to do to break down to see, to make sure the girls have extra 12. Okay, make sure the girls have extra 12. I don't know Tamil, but my husband does. Yes, Taoism is a religion. Yes, I know that Taoism is a religion. Okay, so you have about, 1 minute left. I don't have kids yet. Why you're so kepo? Ask me so many questions. Try to solve the question instead, okay? Okay, you have 25 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Oh, the fact that you know the Singapore pledge in Tamil is wonderful. Wilson. Hello, Kimi. Nice to have you back. I remember Kimi. We always go live every Tuesdays at 6 p.m. for P6s. For P5s, it will be Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Okay? Yes, I do actually. Slay girly, I do. Alright, actually, I mentioned to you guys, right, that quite a number of you have gotten 44 as well in the chat. You may not be on Kahoot at all, but you got it in the chat as well, so that's wonderful. Now, how do we solve this? This is the toughest question. So let me share with you how to solve this, okay, guys? Let me focus all of you guys back into the question to see how to solve this one. Alright? Cheerful Bunny still up top. Funny Horse, let's try to get to the top. Okay, you're only 10 points behind. Only 10 points behind. Okay, guys. So for group 1, I mentioned earlier, right? The answer is 44, by the way. Okay, for group 1, we mentioned earlier, right? 1 unit for girls, 1 unit with extra 20 for boys. So that's pretty much it. Nothing too difficult. It is group 2 that is a little bit tougher. So how do we solve for group 2? In order for the 2 groups to have the same totals, because remember from the first line, it says divide equally. So in order for the two groups to have 2 units and 20, what I'm going to do is remain. The 2 units, 1 unit for boys, 1 unit for girls, remain. But for the 20, right, I want to make sure that the girls have 12 more. Alright? So, for the girls to have 12 more, I'm going to take 20, take away 12, give the girls. The rest, we split into 2. Okay? For the 20 extra, the one in green, I'm going to take the 12, give it to the girls because they got to have 12 more. And then the remaining 8, I split it into 2 parts so that each of them will have equal for 4, such that the girls will have 12 extra. Okay? So from there, the 20 is now broken down into 4 and 12 for the girls and just 4 for the boys. That is for group 2. This is to make sure that my total in both groups remains the same as 2 units and extra 20. Okay? 2 units and extra 20. So from there, I can find out what's my total girls. So girls in group 1, 1 unit. Girls in group 2, 1 unit and 16. So 16 is from the 4 and the 12. Okay, that's 2 units and 16. For the boys, it's 1 unit and 20. And in group 2, 1 unit and 4. So that's 2 units and 24. Okay, if 45% is girls, the rest must be boys, which is 55%. Alright, 55%. So the difference between them, 55 versus 45, that's 10%. 10% must be the difference between the 24 and the 16. Okay? Is this a PSLE question? I believe so. I cannot remember very well, but I believe so. Many years ago, actually. Okay? So, 10% is 8, 5% will be 4, and therefore 55%, that's 4 times 11 to give us 44. Okay? Okay, I get that this is the toughest question. I think the toughest part is to break down the 20 for the girls and the boys in group 2. The rest of it should be able to solve already. So I'm going to leave this here for you guys to take a screenshot if you want to try this out again. Okay? And if you think that you are benefiting somehow, even if you got it wrong but you understand, can you type W in the chat and help me reach my like goal 50k, please? My like goal 50k, please. Wow, slay girly, I'm so honored. Thank you. Thank you, Arisa. Nice. Yeah, 4k more ni. Let's go. Sorry, Miss N, I do see your message, but we do not have one-to-one tuition lessons, but we do have focus group for P6s, where our maximum class size is only 5. So if you would like, you can attend our free trial. Head on to www.mastermaths.com.sg and then register your interest for a free trial, and you can see whether it will be helpful for you with a smaller class size. Alright, so unfortunately we do not have one-to-one tuition lessons, but we do have a focus group session, which is maximum 5 students only. So I hope I've answered your question. Alright. Okay, let me see the messages. Okay, wow, nice. No worries. Anytime, Miss N. Okay, guys, how are we doing so far? The focus classes, they are physical classes, yes. If I'm not wrong, they are physical classes. Oh, my goal is broken. Thank you, everybody. Wow. Okay, we are down to our last question. You think can reach 60k or not? Not sure, we try. One more question only. Thanks, Malika. I hope you're doing well. I really do. Okay, guys, we are down to question number 8. The fact that I have some previous students coming in, already graduate PSL, is still coming and joining and giving us a lot of support, that actually means a lot for us. So thank you very much for you guys here, for spending the evening with me as well. Thank you so much. Some of you haven't even had dinner yet. So that's really nice of you. Thanks a lot. For the rest of you who would like to join our community of learners, you can head on to www.mastermaths.com.sg to register your interest for a free trial and join our very nice and warm learners, community of learners here with us. Okay? Alright, if you'd like to get your hands on our worksheet, they can be found on our Telegram channel, by the way, at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay? Alright, let's go on to question number 8, the last one here. It's okay, Keon, you already go past PSLE already. That's what matters. Okay? Alright, last question here. I also gave you some hints here. So Anne had a total of 285 red and blue bits. This one is past PSLE, by the way. Okay, past PSLE question. So she used 45 red bits. You don't know how many blue, how many red, but you do know that she used 45 red and 40% of the blue. After that, you have the ratio 1:3 left. So the red to the blue left is 1:3. How many bits did she have in the end? So what is this 1:3 in terms of numbers in the end? Okay, so the hints that I have given you here, if you can't, I'm so sorry. If you can't see, let me just make it a little bit smaller. I think it's just nice at the edge of some of your screens. Okay, there we go. Alright, so the hint here, how many units is the total number of blue bits? Use that to help you, okay? If you use 40% of the blue, then your balance is 3 units. How many units is the total? Use that to help you. And then you can draw a model to represent the 285 bits in total. Okay? Hello, Foxy. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. For those of you who just joined, welcome. We are down to our last question of our Kahoot quiz on ratio, fractions, percentage, and decimals revision. Now, we are doing a lot of this revision because a lot of you are going to have your first test in school, which is on these topics. Okay? Alright, are we ready to start the timer? Okay, timer starting soon. By the way, I have 6k more to reach my second goal of 60k. Can you please help me out there? Thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna start the timer for the next for you guys to type in your answers in 5 seconds, okay? In the meantime, please help me spam the like button. Thank you so much. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Double points again. Thank you. Double points again. Same question. Okay, same question, double points again. Alright, you have 4 minutes here. Some of you are able to solve this. This one not as tough as the previous one. Okay, you find the number of bits. How many bits means I want number, yeah? Thank you for the follow, Sherbel. That's nice. Welcome, Miyuki. Guys, so for this one, if they say how many bits, means we are looking for the number of bits. Okay, number of bits in total. At the end, of course. Okay, thank you, Serene, for sharing the live. That's nice of you. Okay, I need more water, so I'm going to wait until we end the live and drink a little bit more. Okay, thank you, Deals, for sharing the live. Guys, how are we feeling about this last question, by the way? For those of you who have already done it. Since very long already, Keon. We have slightly over 2 minutes left, huh? Slightly over 2 minutes. Okay, this is actually a past PSLE question. If you found it hard, that's great, because that means you have, now it's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. You have 7 months to make it easy for you. Okay? If you found it hard, you have 7 months to make it easy for you. So that's wonderful that you found it hard now and not later on, many months later. Okay? And this is not designed to be that hard. Let me share with you one more time the hint. You find out how many units is the blue in total. Then you draw your model for it. Okay? You draw your model for it. Yes, Deals, let's complete the new goal. We have 4k left. 4k left only. Okay, you have slightly over a minute left. Let's see. Come on. Yes, come on. Let's see. Excuse me. Thank you, Slay Girly. I see, Kion. I see it now. Yes, we do have P5 Kahoot tomorrow. Alright, our next live class is tomorrow at 6 p.m. And that's for P5s. So if you cannot win a voucher today, you join again tomorrow to try to win, okay guys? Can revise your P5 stuff as well. Join again tomorrow to try to win, okay? Nice, we're at 57k likes. And we are down to our final about 40 seconds. Okay. Hey, Shanice. What do you mean by that? Can please now what time? I don't understand your question, sorry. 20 seconds left and 3k left, yes. Tomorrow's P5 live, what time? That will be at 6 p.m. Same timing, okay? Same timing. Tomorrow have also. So if today you cannot win $10, tomorrow you try again. The correct answer is 160. 160 bits. Who got 161? Alamak, what happened? Tomorrow it will be with Coach Mo, not with me, okay? With Coach Mo. Alright, because tomorrow I got regularly on Wednesdays I have classes. Alright, what happened? A lot of people got 171. Let's see what is going on here, okay? Let's see. So, for the blue bits left, if I use 40%, I'm left with 60%, right? I use 40%, 100 minus 40, left must be 60, correct? Okay, so with this 60%, that's my 3 units. Because at the end, red to blue left is 1:3. So 60% must be 3 units. That means the amount that I use 40% must be 2 units. Okay, because 20% means 60 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 unit. 40% is 2 units. So that means for the blue, balance 3, I used up 2. Total 5. Okay, for the red, balance 1, but I used up 45. So I don't have a unit there, it is just 45 in my model. And the total, whatever that's left plus whatever that I used, which is the 2 units in blue and the 45 for the red, total is 285. So from 285, you take away 45, balance 6 units, and that will be 240. So 1 unit will be 40, 4 units, 1 in red, 3 for blue, total will be 160. Okay? Alright. Why your brother hit you? Don't cry, don't cry. Hit him back. No lah, kidding. Don't hit him back. Okay, everybody clear so far? Alright, let me just exit here. Okay, guys. Oh dear, we reached our like goal already. 61k, not bad. You guys are really W for you guys. Thank you so much. For those of you who are new here, who just joined, unfortunately, we have come to the end of our live class. Once again, my name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. If you would like to get your hands on our free worksheet and solutions, you can head on to MasterMaths PSLE. If you would like to get your hands on our free trial, in fact, if you would like to attend our free trial, if you're not yet a MasterMaths student, please head on to mastermaths.com.sg. We do provide small group classes as well, focus session, where maximum is only 5 students. So if you'd like to get a free trial, please join us at mastermaths.com.sg. And if you want to see my face every day instead of only every Tuesday, please head on to our YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV, where you get to rewatch all the recordings. Okay? Alright. Oh, you're 30 and you feel like you forgot all this math. I'm close to you in age, but not yet. It's okay if you forgot about it. Thankfully, we already cleared PSLE, right? Thankfully, yeah? Yes, this is PSLE level. Now, next live class, which is tomorrow, this will be for P5s. If you didn't get your chance to win the $10 popular voucher, no problem. Tomorrow, you can try again. P5 live class at 6 p.m. Okay, tomorrow at 6 p.m. with Coach Mo. Coach Mo. No, I'm not 29 years old. And no, for those of you who are asking for Blue Card, unfortunately we can't do that because we actually have a paid account on Kahoot. That's why we are doing it all on Kahoot. So yeah, okay, this is not on Zoom, but it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube at MasterMathsTV. Okay, we have a premium account on Kahoot. That's why we are using Kahoot. Okay, guys. Alright, am I slaying today? I hope so. I really hope so. But for those of you who want to check if you are the one who won the popular voucher, please remember to take a screenshot and give us if you are a cheerful bunny or the other one. If you are one of those top few people and you think you might be the one who won, please take a screenshot of this. If you really did win, take a screenshot of your winning podium and send us your details for us to give you your popular voucher, your $10 voucher, okay? If you didn't get popular voucher today, no problem, guys. Tomorrow P5 you try again, okay? Tomorrow P5 try again. Alright, so let's take a look at who is on the podium. Cheerful Bunny, congratulations. Wow, honestly, Cheerful Bunny really W of the W's, because Cheerful Bunny got first place for all the questions. Funny Horse very close second. It's actually only 4 points different. So close, but Cheerful Bunny got Funny Horse got second in all the questions also. Wow, very good. Wonderful. For those of you who like to try the questions before our Kahoot next week, please go on to MasterMaths PSLE on Telegram, okay? For you to get your hands on the worksheet. Alright? Okay, friends, if you have no questions, thank you for helping me reach our light goal today of 50k and then later on 60k. Thank you so much. Next Tuesday we try 100k. You think can? I don't know can or not, but we try, okay? If you have no questions, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Please eat well, and that is all from me. Once again, my name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. Thank you so much. I will see you guys again next week, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, slay people. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a great evening. Bye. Okay, I'm going to end the live in 3, 2, 1. Bye. Yes, I'm going to end. Bye-bye.